Okay, YouTube. This is a 2002 Chevrolet S10 Vortec V6, and there was some confusion in the videos I saw about how to tell if you're at top dead center, because when you set your alternator, you need to be at top dead center. Okay. Well, there are some marks on the crank pulley, and I'm guessing you can see that, I hope. Anyway, filming this stuff is not always easy, but anyway, there are some marks on the crank pulley, and you can see one right there, and it matches up with a mark on top. And then there's a mark near the bottom of the pulley on the same side, and that matches up with another mark on the engine. However, those two marks match up once per revolution, but it's only at top dead center on the compression stroke every other revolution. So what you can do is pull the number 1 spark plug, which is the one on the driver's side in the very front on the 4.3. You pull that plug, and then you stick your finger over the hole, and with the plug out of it. And what I did was had my son turn this alternator pulley with a wrench, and also to keep it going around, you kind of got to tug on the belt right there. But if you turn the pulley and tug on the belt, it'll turn the crank pulley. And when it comes around, when those marks come around the one time, there's no air movement. When they come around the other time, there's air movement. So you can see that mark right there. That's the top one. Then there's one farther down the pulley on the same side that matches up on the bottom. But anyway, one time when they go around, there isn't any air movement out of that hole, and the other time when they go around, there is air movement. When you feel the air on your finger, that's the compression stroke. So I mean, you've got to set that mark, or those two marks, when it's on the compression stroke. If you just line up those two marks and you're not on the compression stroke, if you put the distributor in, you're 180 degrees out and it won't start. Okay.